Don't play with the boys. Na ludo naira again o. Shebi I tell una say for this video I go deposit money and I go play the game real life make una see am. Una go see how I go deposit money for ludo naira and una go see how I go play am. So this our ludo naira here, make we open am, make we see how we take deposit and how we take play the game. As I be newcomer for ludo naira, I never deposit before. Na wetin I dey talk. If you never deposit before, ludo naira go take you say you still be newcomer. Now I wan deposit and the time me say I go get 50% extra off. Make we check am now if na legit abi na scam. So I go click on add money for here. You gonna ask me how much you want add. I know they spend my money for all this kind thing. All this Telegram airdrop we don't scam us like this. Now this one na ludo naira. All these Naija boys we fit scam us like this. I be Naija boy and I know wetin dey sup. So make I just try deposit something like 500. And as you see, I click 500. Wetin dey for here na 750 naira. Now be see if I deposit 500, they give me 750 naira. Oh yeah, now me will try deposit. Everything wey they see here na live. No one be editing. So I go click proceed to pay. If you want pay, you go see bank here. Which bank wey you want use pay? Me, I dey use OPay. So I go want use OPay deposit. So I go click proceed to pay. Now it don't lead us to somewhere where we go take pay. At least the payment gateway go dey available. May you use pay. If it be from card, if it be from account number, anyone wey dey, I go like to pay with anyone. Me, I go like to pay with bank transfer. So I go come click pay now. May we see wetin go come happen. You can see the same I pay to this account number where you see here, and this account number go expire in 28 minutes. So any transfer you want make to ludo naira, make sure say you dey make am sharp. Make the account number no go expire, your money go loss. So I will copy this account number now. I don't copy the account number. Now I go credit the account. I'll come open my OPay account down here now. As I don't open the OPay account, I will come wait, make the thing load, me unlock, me I do the transaction sharp. So you don't see them, it don't open. So I will come click send to bank for here. So I click send to bank. I will come enter the account number where I don't copy. Click OPay. You don't see them. Next. Credit 500 sharp. Continue. Pay. Add fingerprint. No dey waste time. And the transaction don't go sharp without wasting time. Now me will go back to our payment gateway. Don't see say the thing don't show successful. So payment done success. Sharp. We don't credit. We go press OK. So now they see I'm live. I tell una say for this video, I go make sure say I do everything well. Me una they see I'm clear say everything dey correct. Now when they see my dashboard here, say the 750 don't reflect. My click and me when they see them, you see my wallet they show 750 clear balance. Now 500 where I put, but they don't give me 250 naira additional, which they make them 750. Show you they see them. So you see them 750. Now this one where I go use play now, man, you see me when I take see how things they work for ludo naira. This is a real and clear tutorial like this. Pure. No one be editing. So I will come scroll down for all these places. I check the one where I go first enter right now. You know, say for our previous video, say we play one of 30 naira. So today, me will try if you go play one of 100 naira and be one of 200 naira. We don't know. So me will play the one of 200 naira. If 4 players will play, I will come play 200 naira. I don't join. Me will wait. Make the time we dey here count finish. Me will join. So as you don't click join, don't the process. So we don't the process. See ya. So when you play ludo naira, one thing where you go bear in mind be say you need to get good network. If you don't get good network, I think say you go lose, because sometimes when you want dice, it go happen say your network will just come out, may it come move to another person turn, and this na bad thing for you because you go dey lose. And that thing be say, make sure say you know they use SIM card wey they use for call as SIM card wey you go use for data when they play ludo naira, because if it they play ludo naira, make somebody come call you, data go cut. So may we just enter this one, may they see wetin I dey talk. I go choose 200 naira, may I play. I don't join. Sure, you don't show you say you don't join. Now may we just move now, may we go play and see wetin go happen. Fine. You don't enter now. You don't dey ready. 2, 1, go. Oh yeah now. Sure that they see am. I know say most of una na king of ludo. Me I still be learner now. But no worries. I still dey. Make sure say each time wey they give you, may you die. Say you no waste time. If you waste time, now you go lose. Sure, now see say I don't deposit and I just don't dey play now. Ma see how things go. Yo, wow. You don't see him. I tell you, say I go deposit, and I don't deposit, and we don't dey play the game live. I don't do my own part by depositing, and I don't create the video where una go see. So may una do una own part, I beg. Like this video as una dey watch am. May we see wetin dey happen. I know dey play ludo before, but because of this game, I don't dey play ludo. So may una dey see. As una don't watch this video, una go come decide whether una go play am or whether you no go play am. Na your choice. Just dey watch. Na wetin I want make you do. Remember, say if you dey dice, if you reach your turn, may you come dey waste time, they go cancel your own turn. Bear that for mind. So una don see say the game don dey finish for here. The game don dey finish, and na me be the highest for now. Na me dey highest for now. So una dey see am. Na me be highest for now. The game don end be that too. The game don end. You don see say na me win. Na me win, guys. Na me win. Na me win. You dey see am. I dey see am. Na me win, and I win 350 naira. May we see where the thing dey. May we see where the thing dey. You see am. Na me win. You see my balance. My balance don dey 905 now. Shey you dey see am. My balance don dey 905. Before e dey 750. Shey you dey see am. E dey 750. You see am. Shey you dey see am. Wetin I win na total of 355 naira. And this money I fit withdraw am. I fit withdraw this money clear. All I have to do is say I put my account number. I take withdraw am. Shey you dey see am. I no be customer care. No be me create the app. I no dey work for them. I no even know them. I just dey see their ad everywhere. So make you no go talk say this thing na promotion wey I dey do. I no know them at all. I just say my show and I say I go deposit and I go play the game. It depends on wetin you know. I no know how to play ludo, but due to money don enter am, I don dey play am now. So now you come decide say if you wan play or you no wan play, na your choice. You see am. Show for this game, I show you say I win. The next thing wey you go ask me now say make I fit withdraw. I fit withdraw. May I show una say I fit withdraw. May I just click this thing say I go withdraw now. My bank account don dey already. I go just put. May I just put 350. May I just put 350. Come press withdraw. You see am. I don press withdraw. You see am. Transaction successful. They don't tell me say the thing dey successful. May we go back to OPay. May we see if it dey successful. True. See, my balance don dey 0. My balance don dey 5. You see am, because I withdraw 350. May I show una if the thing don enter. May we go back to OPay. May we see. May we click OPay. May we see if the thing don't enter. But the thing they lie. Because for the previous video I show una say they credit me, but may we check now. May we see if na lie. I be say na true. May I unlock. May una see. I may una see transaction history. You see the thing don't enter my OPay account. Shey they see 350 naira made from OPay gateway. Look at the date. The date dey for below here. Say 10th June 2025. Shey they see may we go confirm if na true for our game. May una no talk say na lie. I dey show na fake withdrawal history. May we just go for transaction history wey dey here. You see say 350 and the date na waiting. The date na 10th of July 2025 by the same time. Shey una dey see am. So I beg, I don't do my part by showing una this video. I don't tell una say I go make video where I go deposit and I go show una how to play ludo naira and you go win. The balance go enter your account. Shey you dey see am. So make una do una own part by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. I go still post correct updates for this channel. So see you next time.